Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get notification when people mention you in group on Facebook. So for you to do that, you have to open your Facebook account, then you tap at the profile icon menu. Once you do that, you're going to tap on group, then you tap on manage. Once you do that, give you a few minutes to load the page. Then after that, you scroll down a little bit, then you tap on personal settings. You can see is it personal settings, then you tap on it, then we'll come right here and tap on manage notification, then you scroll all the way down, then you make sure you check this box, this circle box, you check it and turn it on. So with this option, wherever you are mentioned from group, you'll be notified. That is, get notification when people mentioned you in the group through everyone. So once this is on and you are mentioned in a group, you will be notified. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.